is starting to support JavaScript extension recently, and I've seen some of the community members start to write JavaScript for Roam. And here I just want to quickly show how to turn JavaScript on in Roam. But be aware that this is a very experimental feature, so use it at your own risk. So let's see an example. For instance, today I saw Shate. He actually made this quick Roam JavaScript feature which allow opening any images on a page full size in your window. So let's see how it works. So for instance, in this article, if I have an image, I can click on the image and then it will just show up in a bigger full size window. And maybe I can put it over here, and then you have another image, I can click on it and I can see it again. So this is very nice if you have a lot of image in your article and maybe some of the image is small, so you can click on it and then you will see it in a better or bigger size. So how to turn it on? How you do is you go to Roam JS, and here I already have his code copy over. So let's just delete everything and just see how it worked from the beginning. So here, what you do is you put a page. I just call it example, for instance, whatever you want to call, right? And then here, you actually copy over the code. So first, what you do double parenthesis and then bracket, and then just say Roam JS and then enter. So now you're gonna have something like this. And here you're gonna do just append, and you do a nesting. You actually copy the code over here. So he actually mentioned he has the code in the GitHub. So you click on this, and then from GitHub, you just copy over all the code he has here. Right, Control C. Then what you do a code block, and then you click somewhere else. Now you're gonna have something like this. Here you paste over the code, okay? And then you change this to JavaScript, and then you click on yes, I know what I'm doing. This will actually turn on the JavaScript. So usually I will also do a Control R just to refresh the page, and that will tell Roam to load the script. So that's all. Then your JavaScript should be loaded, and if you want to turn it off, you just click on stop this, then it will be off. So that's all. Hope this helps, and have a good day.